Hey, to add credit card to your Google Pixel 8a, first of all, you'll have to download the Google Wallet application on your phone. So we can do this by going into the Google Play Store, now tapping on the search and input wallet phrase. Now when you do this, you can actually find this application, the Google Wallet, and you have to click on the install button. And when the installation is finished, you will have to open it. And if you have here any notifications or buttons to click, just select and go forward for the first setup of the application. And now you will actually be welcome with this screen, and you can click to add payment card. So now we got two options. First, we can actually put this card right here and scan the back and the front, but also we can enter details manually. So when you click here, you have to input your card number, the valid date, security code, the name of the owner, your region, street address, postal code, and after this, when you input everything and everything will be correct and match your pay card, you will be able to click save and continue. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.